Hi my friends, welcome to Maverick channel. As you can see, I have my mask on. I am practicing social distancing, and also I encourage everyone, if you're going out, wear your face covering and practice social distancing. Now let's get to the point of the day. We are at the lake and I have right here my DJI Mavic Air 2, and we will be doing a range test. We will be flying straight towards that direction over there. Minimal interference. All we are trying to do is to see how far it's gonna go. So let's get straight to it. Okay, let us take off. Ready to go.
Takeoff.
Hopefully
The home
everything
port
works
has been
all right.
updated. Please check it on the map.
We are going to be flying above water, so it is a little bit riskier because should anything happen, then the drone is gone. But I have faith in all DJI products, and I know that their drones are much more reliable, particularly with this one. I know that it possibly will return to home as advertised if it loses contact with, or rather connection with, its remote control. But you never know, something else might go wrong. If you all remember on my last video about range test, it was for the Mavic Mini. I was flying this same path and it was fairly windy. It was more windy than it is today. It is windy today, but not that bad. And the wind was so high. The wind speed was so high. I didn't measure it on that day. I should have. I'm sorry, guys. But I was scared to continue with the range test. I had to turn back at about 2,000 feet, if I'm not mistaken, 2,500 feet thereabout. So the conditions today are more favorable, and let's see how far we are going to go. Yep, this is one of my favorite spots to fly. Very lovely scenery. Yep, we are at about just a little bit over 1,200 meters. That's about 3,600 feet thereabout, a little bit above that. It is still going, no interference yet, no issues yet. It is riding smoothly. I am actually very impressed because I did not reach this far while I was doing the test with the Mavic Mini. So I have already broken my record that I went with the Mavic Mini. Well, under different circumstances, because it was very windy on that day, and besides, this one has a longer range than the Mavic Mini, so I am not surprised about that. But so far, oops, did I jinx myself? It says weak signal there. Oh, it wants me to adjust the antenna. Let me see here. Aircraft not connected. Huh. What? Okay, it wants to take off. What does that mean? Huh. Man. Oh. Fail-safe mode. In progress. Oh. Weak signal. Okay, it's picking up signal. Oh yeah, it's back. But, huh. Wow, it's returning. Jesus Christ. For a moment I was scared there, because normally I was expecting that if it loses its signal, it should, ask me to return home as opposed to trying to take off. So something happened there. but all is well right now. It is returning back home. Whoa, whoa. That was scary. G, 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 G. So we went to about 2,200 meters, 7,200 feet, and about 1.4 miles, which is not bad at all. I do not think that anybody will frequently fly up to a mile. Uh-oh, weak signal again. Okay, everything is fine. It returned to auto return, and it was a little bit scary earlier when it got to its limit today. But I guess under certain circumstances, this drone will go further. The Mavic Air 2 will go further, and a mile and a half, I believe it's not its limit. So I will do another range test on a much more favorable day. Less wind, little interference, and all that good stuff. And then we'll see. We will see. But for now, today, we got to 1.4 miles. And that's it for today for now. So now I am only being patient to see that it returns home safely. It is in auto return. I am not flying, I'm not returning it manually rather. So let's see. All right, everything seemed to have gone as planned. It went and it came back, and you know, it is about to land right now. So guys, please subscribe, leave your comment below. Any recommendation that you have is welcome, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you very much.